So this is the flat garden shovel scraper that I've been using here in my yard to clean up the patio and doing all kinds of things. The company sent this out to me to try out, and I really like it. I found that it's been really useful. It's great for scraping up. If you have a patio like this, you got moss and weeds growing in there. It's great for scraping all that up. Basically just push it along and it scrapes it all up. It is nice and sharp. So it comes in, say, several different pieces. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, so you can make it the length that you want. It has a little hole there. You can hang it up as well. It is really nice and lightweight. You can hold it with one hand easily. The blade here is this nice flat scraper there. That's nice and sharp, so it'll cut through weeds and everything. Requires a little bit of assembly. Just screw that in, screw these in. Very simple. And then you can use it to start scraping things. You can use it as an edger. You can remove weeds. In the winter, you can use it for snow and ice. So it has a lot of practical purposes. So if you do a lot of gardening, this is a great tool to have. So definitely check it out.